We recently stayed at the Plaza Lodge, which is located in central LA. It's located close to the farmers market and the Grove, with easy access to all that LA has to offer. The farmers market is a great place to go and hang out, do some shopping and get some food. The hotel itself has recently been refurbished. Considering its location, it was pretty good value too. When you enter into the lobby, you can see that it's got a great boutique style. And all the staff we met were friendly and very helpful. Heading into the room itself, and you can see that there's some pretty bold colours. The bed was very comfortable and there was plenty of pillows too. On this nightstand, there are 2 sockets and 2 USB ports. And while the room had air conditioning, it was one of the older units that was a little bit loud, which wasn't really an issue to us, and also you couldn't hear the road noise either. On the adjacent wall is a large circular mirror. I really like this funky painting. And a rather interesting table and chair, which if I'm being honest wasn't particularly practical. This nightstand also had a phone and 2 sockets and 2 USB points. There's a large flat screen TV opposite the bed. Here was a large open face wardrobe with some shelves, and there was a desk with a coffee maker, chair and a fridge. One slight negative point was the broken drawer. I think having a fridge is always a nice touch. And now moving into the bathroom, there was a sink with a heated mirror above. And of course, the all-important loo. Opposite that was a rail with some fresh clean towels. And as you can see, the bathroom had some funky tiling. The toiletries were housed in this handy alcove. The shower itself was easy to use and had a really good pressure. The last thing in the bathroom is the hairdryer on the other wall. This is the secluded pool area, which was a nice place to hang out. And another thing to mention is that the rooms come with free Wi-Fi. Speaking of free, the hotel has free parking. There are 4 spaces outside the front of the hotel and lots more in the alley behind. This was just another reason why we like staying at this hotel. The Attitude Cafe was situated right next door to the hotel. The cafe had great decor and the staff were really attentive. It was so great to have this cafe so nearby. We'll also leave links to the other 2 hotels we stayed at. Both of those had free on-site breakfast, which was an absolute winner. I decided to grab a coffee and then peruse the menu. The prices here seem to be the going rate for Los Angeles, which is to say it's not cheap. And as you can see, there was plenty of choice. After some deliberation, I decided to go for the classic omelette, which was absolutely delicious and packed a punch too. That was probably the Serrano chilies. So it came with roasted potatoes and toast. Just a great way to start my day before heading out and seeing the sights in LA. Many thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing.